Well, good morning, guys. This morning we are continuing Health Week. We are on day 4, and this morning we are talking to Dr. Daniel Clinkenbeard. Good morning.
Good morning, Lauren.
Now, you office out of the McBride Clinic.
Yes.
And this morning we are giving people great advice, especially the advice they need on what they should be eating and what they shouldn't be eating. And this morning we've been talking about lots of different things, breakfast foods, nighttime cravings, but now we're going to talk about fiber and how important that is. And we've had our apple juice here.
Correct.
And people really, you're not going to get what you're getting out of the apple, what you're going to get in the apple juice.
Right. When the apple provides fiber, it's less calories. This is about 70 calories, 3 grams of fiber, where a glass of apple juice is going to be about 120 calories and no fiber. So the fiber obviously is going to make you feel fuller, so you won't eat as much and probably actually give you more satisfaction than a glass of apple juice.
Now, a lot of people too, they start diets and they think, okay, I want to lose weight, but diets last for only so long, and then if you go back to eating the normal way you've been eating your whole life,
right,
you're going to gain that weight back.
Right. Long-term goal is to basically make wise choices. Eat right, choose foods that are, fruits, vegetables, dairy products, lean meats. If you make choices every day, healthy choices, then you can have a, long-term, hopefully maintain your weight or even lose weight.
So you don't really believe in diets then?
Right. I think diets are fads. People try them for a couple of weeks and then they go back to their old ways. They got to make choices and changes that they can sustain forever.
Okay. And we always say, it takes 28 days, I've heard, to form a habit.
Right.
So it's a lifestyle change. It's ways you're going to have to keep eating. You want to pick good things like lean meats, you said, and
right,
maybe egg whites or hard-boiled eggs, things like that. It may always not be the best tasting foods, but you can have those foods, just not as often as every day. Correct.
That's right, Lauren.
All right, guys. Well, this morning we've been talking about lots of different breakfast items. Now, you suggest starting out your day with what?
For breakfast, I think breakfast needs to be a combination of some carbohydrates and protein. A bowl of cereal with milk provides carbohydrates and protein. If you don't like cereal, some scrambled eggs, maybe a little bit of cheese, a sausage on the side with a bagel, toast, lots of good options.
All right, now you said eat like a king for breakfast.
Eat like a prince for lunch, and eat like a pauper at dinner.
Okay. All right, guys, great advice. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thank you, Lauren.